Every day begins the same way. Not with intention, with reaction.
A notification, a headline, a comment, a problem that isn't even yours. And before you realize it, your energy is already gone.
You think you're tired because you're working too hard. But that's not what drains you.
You're tired because you're leaking power. Constantly. Every reaction is a transaction. Every emotional spike costs energy. Every pendulum feeds on your attention. The moment you stop reacting, the system loses access. Attention is power, and power returns to whoever controls it. You were never the problem. You were the power source. Disconnect the pendulum. Recharge the battery. Attention is power. Protect it.